Hi everyone, welcome back to another MOC Build. In this video, I will be building Yellow Umbrella. Umbrella is a circular cover that is used for protection against rain or sun. I hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to see what I post on my YouTube channel, and share with your friends and family about Zachary's Lego Club. Bye everyone. I'll see you in the next video.